Good morning, my fellow YouTubers. Brennan here with another gardening video. Here's the update on those Regrow choys from the windowsill all the way to the soil. So what I noticed, guys, is the water, if you leave them in the water in the windowsill, that's just there to keep them alive, but it doesn't actually improve your growth. So the best thing would be to throw them directly onto the ground, onto the soil. So I want to show you guys the update on that. So it's been about I believe about 15 days since I put these down, 15 to 20 days around there. Anyways, I'm pretty sure these guys are ready to go. I did notice that they're starting to bolt, so here's a little look at what they look like. So the lettuces are starting to bolt as well, but we're gonna let that guy go. So let's go ahead and pull these guys out and give you guys the lowdown. So I found we did get some good root growth here. Like I said, not bad. So not a bad looking choy to me. Okay, let's see. Probably leave that. Okay, we'll take this guy, give these guys some space. So that's what it looks like, guys, after the regrow project. You notice that there's some roots here. Not bad at all. And this is actually a choy, a new choy. So basically I had a little extra seedling, so I just put it in there. We're probably gonna have to plant that deeper in time, but for now that's the status of the regrow. I'll show you guys the other side. And this is the other pot. As you can see, they're starting to bolt. See, there's just flowers coming up, so you definitely want to get that out of there, otherwise it'll just go long. So I did get a slug issue on this guy, but I was able to trap him. Just come out in the middle of the night, pick him up, or they just wouldn't go for my beer trap this time. Anyways, these guys basically look like they're all ready to be picked up already. We'll leave those guys alone for a couple more days. So I'll get these guys washed up and you guys can take a look. And let me guys show you the status of what we got going over here right now. So here is my choys seedlings. They look pretty good. It's been about 2 weeks already since I put these down as well. I have some marigolds, mustard greens, more marigolds, some cucumbers. Got some of my aromas and beef sticks popping out. The peppers are back. So my 2020 peppers, guys, looks like they're showing nice good new growth here. As you can see, these little, look at this guy right here. How many fruits are going to be in here, how many peppers, I'm not sure. And I got some of these guys turning red. Same thing with my bells. I'm getting some new growth over here. Some spinach and some garlics. More beef steaks and aromas. And I do have some kabochas already, guys. So this was a success. These seeds were harvested from the kabocha squash that I grew last year. So they were actually my early bloomers. They're looking pretty good already. And some cilantro, some long English bell pepper, and kabochas. I'm not sure if I have any of the butternuts that popped out yet. And that's some cilantros right here. more marigolds. And the pole beans. The pole beans are in. I believe these guys are meant to be directly sown, but I just wanted to give it a try. And they're all look like they're all working pretty well. And this is also the regrow, guys. The regrow on the sweet onions. Pretty easy. They're probably the easiest thing to regrow. And I'm just trying out this carrot. It just bolted like crazy. I don't know what's gonna happen with that one, guys. Hi guys, just want to give you guys the update of when I rinsed them all off. Give you guys the comparison of how they come in the store. So these are basically these little choys that I get, and I use them in my kitchen. And then when I regrow them, they turn out to something like this, which is, to me, looks a lot better. Not as dense as the ones from the store, but once I regrow them, I find I really don't see much of a difference, guys. Well, I kind of do. Mine is definitely more alive. Mind you, mine is fresh. And that's the difference. Not as dense, but definitely a lot more leafage and growth. So, there's the regrow, guys. So, like I said, I've been growing these bok choys from seeds, and they take about 3 weeks for me to get a sprout. So, if you get them from the store and just replant them, you're gonna get basically the same plant back. Mind you, I find that you don't really want to regrow it more than once, as they are starting to mature. As you can see, they're starting to have the flower inside, right there. But otherwise, I looks like a better plant than what I had it from the store. Anyways, thanks for stopping by, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to leave a comment below, guys. Let's talk about the stuff that you guys are planting. Any questions at all about my polytunnel exploration, let me know. But for now, see you on the next video.